You know that fairy tale about making money online? The one where you have to grind for 6 months, basically beg strangers to follow you or subscribe to your channel, and then, if you're lucky, someone might toss you a few cents here and there. Yeah, I used to believe that too. But then, one Tuesday, I just got fed up. I locked myself in my room and I gave myself a deal. I said I had 24 hours to create, launch, and actually sell a brand new digital product from scratch. I challenged myself. And you won't believe it, but at 9:42 p.m. that night, my phone buzzed with a PayPal notification. It was one sale for $27. I did it with no ads, no big email list, and definitely no designer. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. You should totally steal this playbook before your coffee even gets cold. Number one, I'm kidding. Kill the elephant in the room. Okay, so first, let's get the biggest worry out of the way. You absolutely do not need a giant stadium of followers or subscribers to make your first sale. Seriously. All you need is to find one small, annoying problem that keeps someone tossing and turning at 2 a.m. and then offer them a quick way to solve it. The moment I realized that creating a sense of urgency for a real problem is so much more powerful than my audience size, everything just clicked into place for me. Number two, the 30-minute idea hunt. So here's what I did. And you could do this today, right now. I set a timer on my phone for 30 minutes. No distractions, no scrolling social media, no phone calls, no snack breaks. I gave myself one simple rule. The idea had to be based on a problem I had personally solved for myself or for somebody else in the last month. I immediately thought about my friend whose cooking channel was getting killed by low ad revenue. I had just helped him brainstorm some clever ways to make money without relying on AdSense. So I just scribbled down that idea, 40 plus ways to monetize a channel without AdSense. When the timer dinged, my idea was locked. Think about it for yourself. What problems are your friends always asking you to help them with or to help them solve? That's where you start. Now, number three, build fast, polish never. Let me explain. Next, I opened a plain Google Doc. I wasn't trying to be fancy. I listed out 10 of the monetization tactics, and then I copy and pasted that simple outline into ChatGPT. My prompt was something like, can you expand these points into friendly step-by-step mini guides? Keep it simple, no fluff, and zero jargon. Literally 5 minutes later, because I use the paid version of ChatGPT, I had 12 pages of genuinely helpful content. I took that text, dumped it into Canva, and picked a free ebook template. I wasn't trying to make it perfect. I wanted it to be presentable though. Then I exported it as a PDF. The whole thing was done in 22 minutes. Was it a little ugly? Honestly, yeah, a little bit. But was it super helpful? Absolutely. Number four, the bundle that feels juicy. A single PDF on its own can feel a little bit like an appetizer. You know what I mean? So I wanted to make it feel like a full meal. I decided to toss in 2 simple bonuses to make the offer feel more substantial. The first was a mini guide I called 30 affiliate-friendly sites that actually approved me. The second was a simple 1-page checklist. Create your product in 1 hour. The whole process of creating these bonuses only took about 46 minutes. But suddenly, it looked like a really chunky, valuable offer that I could be proud of, not just some lonely file. Number 5, platform in 2 clicks. And please don't get lost in all the complicated tech stuff. I went straight to Gumroad. I clicked new product and I uploaded the zip file with my PDFs and the bonuses. And I used Google Docs again to whip up a quick mock-up for the product images. Sorry, I'm sorry, Canva for the product image. I set the price at $27, and this is key. I tick the box to add an 48-hour purchase limit timer to create that urgency. Then I just connected my PayPal account and my link was live. That was literally it. Number 6, zero audience launch. So here's the part that feels scary, right? I only had 112 followers or subscribers. I had on Instagram, and a really sleepy email list with maybe 23 people on it. I just wrote a quick Instagram story. I'm sorry, I'm on YouTube now, not Instagram. I just built a mini guide. That's what I typed, to earn real money. I made the link live for the next 2 days. Get back on track, Cheryl. I posted that and I was done there. Then I went into 3 Facebook groups that were relevant to the topic. I found a person asking a question about monetization, and I left a helpful answer. At the very end, I slipped in, hey, I actually summarized my whole playbook in a $27 guide. The link is in my profile if you want it. It wasn't spammy at all, because I gave value first and then a simple invitation. The entire promo took me 12 minutes. Number 7, first sale brain fireworks. At 9:42 p.m., my phone buzzed. It was that PayPal notification. A complete stranger had sent me $27. I swear, I kept refreshing that Gumroad dashboard like a total caffeine addict just to make sure it was real. And it was. The secret wasn't about building hype or being an influencer. It was just about having a clear solution to a real problem and adding a ticking clock. Number 8, recap in plain English. So really, when you break it all down, it was just a few simple steps, really. It started with a 30-minute hunt for a problem I'd already solved for someone. Then I used Google Docs and Canva to get it made fast, remembering that being useful is way more important than being pretty. Yeah, no fancy stuff around here. I bundled it with a couple of bonuses so that it felt like an incredible deal. I used Gumroad to get it online in just a few clicks, skipping all the fancy stuff and the complicated stuff. Then I just launched it in the places I already hang out online. Groups, my tiny list, Instagram stories, and I think I went to the community post on YouTube. And finally, I added a deadline timer. That is what pushed people to buy, I am assuming. Number 9, mindset pep talk. I know that little voice in your head will start screaming, but I need branding. I need a perfect logo. I need 7-part email sequence. Honestly, no, you don't. Not right away. All you need is one person who has one painful problem and one quick fix that you can put behind a paywall. Just publish it today, even if it feels messy. You can always polish it tomorrow if you really feel like it. You can do this with 0 subscribers, 0 followers, 0 budget, and 0 excuses. The timer is ticking, but in a good way. Just go and build something tiny, price it fairly, and tell the first 10 people you see about it. Your first sale might honestly land before you take your next sip of coffee. If you found any value from this video, wait until you see the next one. That's the next video I'm talking about, titled The Digital Product Money Glitch That Big Creators Don't Want You to Know About. Make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on this video and the underground secrets that come with it. And please grab my digital bundle, that same 40+ epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without Google AdSense. That's the one that got me the $27. This is some next level stuff. I dare you to buy it if you really want to make money online in the next 24 to 48 hours like I did. Trust me, you will thank me later for it. See you in the next video. Go grab that bundle and start making some money. I dare you.